Don't remember the last time I recorded a YouTube video, but here we are. A lot has happened since then. Number one, my mum died. I'm fine, trust me, I'm fine. And this video is a clear reflection of how fine I am. So I've been blonde for like November, December, January, February, March. Like 4 or 5 months I've been blonde. And since I went like a lighter blonde, a lot of people told me to bleach my eyebrows. Are those people trying to sabotage me? I don't. My roots are coming through. Now I've decided, yeah, let me bleach my eyebrows. So it might look insane. When you have an itch that you need to scratch, bleaching my eyebrows since having this blonde hair has been one of them. The thing is, throughout my time on social media, I feel like I'm kind of known for 2 things, and that's eyeliner and my eyebrows. I've gone through many different phases with my eyebrows. Some good, some bad, mostly bad. Also, yeah, there's like a really creepy window into my kitchen, so if a face pops up there, well, honestly, it wouldn't even faze me at this point with the year I had, so. But I am just winging it. I do have the bleach. Might be the worst decision of my life. I have so much fun being blonde. I know I probably suit dark hair more. I get it. But I just like being blonde. I don't know what it is. I do love brown hair, but every time I have brown hair, something terrible happens in my life. So it's kind of like a curse. So speaking of hair, let's bleach these brows. To be fair, when I did the concealer thing, my friend said I look like Julia Fox. I love Julia Fox. I need to read her books still, but I love Julia Fox. So if I can be Julia Fox, I will be Julia Fox. Julia Fox, I love you. So this is what I had in my stash of hair things. Might be the highest bleach you can go, which could be an awful mistake. So my eyebrows are obviously dark. That's probably what they're gonna look like. Also, this is my new filming space. I'm in my mum's house. R.I.P. Please don't take this slightly. Quick side note, I get through grief through humour, so bear with me with that. So I found this little pot thing. This brand, Jerome Russell, God bless, probably ruined so much hair. So, bit of powder went in my nose. Maybe this bowl isn't going to be big enough. Looks like that. There we go. Ta-da! Okay, that's not good. Oh good, oh good. I have the perfect thing. This smells weird. God, I'm gonna look so stupid with these eyebrows. Okay, I think this is mixed enough. I'm scared, I'm so scared. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, do you see people put like Vaseline around their eye? I did try to find my Vaseline before this. Don't know where it's gone. I don't know what I could use as a supplement to that. Maybe something like balm. Hang on. I'm gonna use my Hello Kitty lip balm around my eyebrows because I'm scared if I don't use any type of balm. I am gonna clip my hair out of the way. I'm just gonna... This feels dumb. This feels very dumb, I'm not gonna lie. I also see people put cling film over the eyebrows once it's done. Okay, now we've got to apply the bleach onto the eyebrows. Okay. Because my eyebrows are such a significant part of my face, I feel like it balances my face out because I do have a relatively large forehead. So now I'm just gonna look, oh my god, you think about the size of my forehead. I'm just sending a prayer to my mom. Prayers to my mom, please guide me through this. Okay, so I googled it. It said 5 to 10 minutes, but then it also said do a patch test. Where? I don't have brow to spare for a patch test, so... Oh god, it's terrifying. God. You know what? Hey, you only live once, so let's just go for it. Oh, well, I could turn back now, but I'm scared. I'm so scared. Do this brow, just do this brow, because we don't want them to bleach at wrong times. And, well, I should have watched someone do this. Because I've been thinning my eyebrows out for the past, like, year maybe. My brow hairs grow back really fast because they're originally quite thick. So this won't last long. I'm going to see if I have cling film just in case, because that's what all the girls do. I do not have cling film, but I have a food bag. So I have food bag. I have a food bag. Similar consistency. I think I want to kind of wipe away the excess so I don't burn my skin off, because there's no eyebrow hairs there that need to be bleached. Don't do this at home, guys. I feel like I just have to put that in there. I don't really know what my plan is for this. Well, maybe if I just clip it. Well, I guess we wait. I guess I could kind of visualise myself without eyebrows with these on. It makes my forehead look massive. I'll try and make it be huge in a Lily Rose Depp way. And I don't like having the bag on because I can't see what's happening. Honestly, the bag wasn't doing anything. It was just peeing me off. But I think something's happening to my eyebrows. Girl discovers how bleach works. I don't know if you can tell, but they look they look quite blonde. Oh my god. I'm gonna like check. That's yellow. That's yellow as a motherfucker. Oh god, no. Yeah, 360. When you're in the mirror, what you see? I can't remember. I'm so Julia. Oh. That song was for me, for this moment. I'm getting kind of scared now, so I think I'm gonna wipe this off, and if it needs more time with more bleach, I'll just put it back on. Who is she? She's yellow. Oh, I don't want to know what this one looks like. Oh, goodness. You're lying. Oh, dearie me. Is this Julia? Is this so Julia? I'm gonna put another layer on. Is that a mistake? Yeah, God bless. We're going in again. I'm gonna back comb it through.
A few moments later.
I think that's enough time. So they look less ginger, so let's see what these look like. Look. Okay. Still yellow, but they're less ginger, right? It looks like I have no eyebrows. Oh goodness. What? I have my toner. It is a little bit grey, so unsure what we're gonna look like. I love doing this part. I feel like a professional hairdresser. God, I hope this makes my eyebrows not yellow. What's wrong with looking at myself? Is it me a goth though? No. How do I get this to my eyebrows? It's like icing gingerbread man. How fun. What? Oh, caught myself in a very compromising position there, so that clip was definitely blacked out. Yes, this is the new 2025 trend. Cum brows. I'm just gonna rub that in. Is it turning my skin purple? Can you see that? That's not purple, right? Is it doing anything? Wait, if I have purple eyebrows, then that might be the final straw. You know what? I'm actually thinking it's gonna look kind of good. Wait. Actually, I might like this. I might actually think I look pretty cunt, you know? I think I look pretty cunt already. Wait. Did I do a good job? Oh my god, wait. I mean, I do look kind of sickly pale. I also kind of want to do my makeup just to see. Sorry. I thought this was going to be catastrophic, but it's actually... I'll do my makeup and I'll come back. I don't know, I'm kind of loving it. Wait, if I get other comments being like, girl, you fucked up, probably. I don't mean to brag, but I am pleasantly surprised by this. Honestly, like, I don't know. I kind of hate it. No, let me just adjust myself. Let me just, you know, feel. I like it. Yes, I do. I think it's just so different because I've always had dark eyebrows. My face has always been my eyebrows. So it's hard to kind of get used to. Would it look better with fully bleached hair? Probably, maybe. I don't know. I kind of don't mind it. I mean, I will eventually bleach my roots regardless. But sorry to just drop on by and serve cunt to you all. I think my friends are going to like this. I think they're going to be like, I feel like my forehead looks bigger, definitely, but I did it. The itch has been scratched. I don't know who that is. Who is it? Thanks for watching. I'm actually doing really well mentally. Shocking, I know, considering I just did this to my face. But, so yeah, that's it. I'm going to take this makeup off. Actually, I'll take some pictures, do some TikToks. And then I'm going to go to bed and wake up tomorrow shocked when I look in the mirror because I'm going to forget I did this. Is this Julia? Is this so Julia?